Hello, this is Dr. Benita Smith, and welcome to Vocation, Calling, and Purpose of Work. I am the lead instructor here, and we also have Professor Brian Jones and Professor Thomas Spots. We each have a section of students. I will be grading all of the graduate students and students from Becker to Graddick. Professor Jones will be grading students Terry to Woolridge, and Professor Spots will be grading students Jekyll to Tally. In the syllabus, please read your syllabus. Please read your syllabus because it tells you everything the expectations of the school as well as the expectations for this particular class. In there, you will find your assignments and your final project. There are templates that you can use for your writing purposes. Please use those templates because they provide a structure for you to submit your work. For the lessons, course introduction will start. You will start that in the form, and you will give us a little brief introduction of who you are, and we will do the same for you. We want to get to know you. I realize that online is kind of difficult because you don't have that brick and mortar school, and you don't get a personable, but we can be personable. We can talk to each other, and we can learn each other through the internet. In week 1 is where we shall begin. Week 1, you will do watch the videos that are here. The Vocation, Calling, and Purpose of Work course, the City Visions Internship Practicum and Job Search course sequence, and a wonderful video by Rick Warren of Why God Made You. And then your lifeline instruction, exercise instructions. This course, this lesson 1, will help you to reflect on your own life purpose and why God made you. Oh my goodness. You will summarize your story, and you will use a lifeline and reflect on how that informs your vocation and calling. You know, who we are and how we came to be has a reflection on us. This week we will do our introduction, our sample lifeline, and we'll begin to tell our story. And we have an exercise that you will be able to draw your storyline from birth to where you are now. And then you will identify a personal or professional mentor which is needed for this class, so that you can go back and ask them, should I do this? Should I do that? Or how do you see me? What do you think about what I'm saying here? These are the things you need to be mindful of. But we look forward to spending time with you. We look forward to reading your discussions and learning more about you and getting ready for our live session that'll be coming up in week 2. So I just encourage you to be a part and tell your story. And if you have any issues or any problem, please don't hesitate to let us know. Don't wait till the last moment. If you need an extension, we are here to help you. And I just want you to know that I'm praying for you, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. Thank you.